Welcome to ZEKIN. This is our 115 outward-opening system window. We offer 3 color options for both the interior and exterior. It features a flush frame design on both sides, with excellent sealing performance. The profile thickness is 1.8 mm, and the thermal break strip is 30 mm. The glass specification is 5 mm double glazings, with 27/8 hollow space, providing superior sound insulation performance. It features a hidden drainage system to prevent rainwater backflow. EPDM sealing strips are used for enhanced sound insulation, dust protection, and thermal insulation. For hardware, we use Denmark-made hinge of Stafford and a German-made handle of Hoppe.